This is a gold iPhone 14 Pro Max that looks well protected from the outside with no signs of major impacts or drops. The battery's efficiency has dropped to 83%, and according to the fan, it's not lasting as long anymore. The device reports an issue with Face ID, which has been unsuccessfully repaired before, so what could be the reason it wasn't fixed properly? Let's not rush. First, we connect the phone to a computer. On the computer, it shows that the dot projector and infrared camera codes can't be read, which means Face ID won't work, as viewers of my videos know. A damaged dot projector can be repaired, but if the infrared component itself is damaged, it can't be fixed. What does component damage mean? If it's an issue with the circuitry, voltage, or motherboard control, it can be fixed. But if the component itself is damaged, like a damaged CPU core, it can't be repaired. Although issues like cold solder or power supply problems on the CPU can be opening the phone, we see the battery is wrinkled and the waterproof label above the SIM slot has turned red, indicating water damage, which is also visible around the slot. Face ID is very sensitive, even a small amount of water or a touch can disable it, making it easily damaged by water. First, we power down the phone, disconnect the display touch and sensor flex cables, and remove the screen. The screen itself is fine. The wrinkled battery is usually a sign of a severe impact, and the red coloring indicates water entry. Where did the water come in? We keep looking as we remove the Face ID components, taking off the earpiece and disconnecting the Face ID flex cables. We notice the Face ID dot projector has been repaired. A replacement chip is available. So this issue is reparable. However, the infrared camera is beyond repair. After confirming the infrared camera is indeed faulty, the fan insists on fixing the Face ID. So at this point, there's only one solution: replace the battery too. We proceed to remove the battery, noticing that the back glass seems to have been replaced as well, which is likely how water got in. After cleaning the chassis, we install a new original battery and Face ID unit, which comes double packaged for protection. Many haven't seen an original factory Face ID unit. We remove the outer packaging to reveal a white box, typical of Apple's packaging, which also includes screws. A design that started with the iPhone 14 and 15 series. We install the new Face ID unit, clean up the chassis, apply new waterproof glue, and then clean the residual glue and dust from the back of the screen. After reassembling, we use new screws from the box to secure the protective metal cover. Quiet observers of the video, who kindly like, comment, share, and follow, are greatly appreciated. We finish by cleaning the phone again, removing the protective sticker from the waterproof glue, and removing the protective cover from the Face ID unit. We close up the screen. Place the phone in a press tool to ensure the glue sets perfectly, remove the phone after pressing, and screw in the final screws at the bottom. Changing the Face ID unit and the battery are unique processes. We connect the phone to a computer and open Apple Service Utility, ASU. Holding down the power button, we plug in the charger to enter recovery mode. Initially, we encountered an error because the phone needed the latest system update. After updating to the latest version, the diagnosis could complete and the phone could reboot. After system configuration, we power up the phone to find no error messages about the battery or Face ID, with battery health at 100%. Checking the device details, it's still the same 256GB iPhone 14 Pro Max, and both the battery and Face ID are recognized as genuine Apple parts. We test the Face ID, and it can now register and unlock normally, indicating that the Face ID function has been fully restored.